Welcome to Marvelous Designer 2025 new feature video. In this version, the user interface has been updated with a fresh design. Let's first take a look at the window layout of the updated UI. At the top, you'll find the main menu, 3D window. 3D window tool groups for 3D workspace is located at the top of the 3D window. 2D pattern window. The 2D pattern window has tools for creating 2D patterns located at the top. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the Object Browser, which allows you to configure various objects needed for garment creation, such as fabrics, top stitches, and trims, and so on. Property Editor. At the bottom of the Object Browser, there's the Property Editor, where you can configure various detailed options for patterns and selected objects. Animation Editor. Click the arrow icon at the very bottom to open the Animation Editor window. Click the Detach icon to move around the window freely. Click the Maximize icon to expand the window to fit the screen. Click the Minimize icon to return it to its previous size. Use the dock icon to pin the window back to its original position. Use the close icon to close the window, like the animation editor. Other windows can also be hidden, detached, or rearranged however you like. In the bottom right corner, you can choose from default layouts or view just the 3D or 2D windows individually. Click Reset Layout to return to the default view with both 3D and 2D windows. Previously, you had to use drop-downs to add or remove windows. Now, in version 2025, you can manage all windows easily from the Window tab. If you want to open a specific window, go to Main Menu Window and turn it on or off as needed. Layout tab. You can now save and export your custom UI layouts and reload them whenever you need. You can also export your custom layout and reuse it later through the menu. Let's take a closer look at the updated main menu compared to previous versions. Two new tabs have been added: Render and Connect. Setting and Preferences tab is now renamed to Settings. Render tab is newly added and it includes Quality Render and Schematic Render. As before, Quality Render and Schematic Render can be toggled on or off in the 3D window by clicking their icons. Connect. The Everywhere package, previously located elsewhere, is now found under the Connect tab. New Library. Clicking the Library button opens the New Library pop-up window. Assets from the old library are now found under the Assets tab. When switching to the Connect Assets tab, you can use items from the Connect Asset Store directly within Marvelous Designer. Switch to the Closet tab to open and manage your files from the Closet platform. Click Reset to Previous Library to return to the old library view, or click Switch to Library to go back to the new version. The icons in the new library are larger and easier to use for better usability. Sculpt tool. The 3D window tools remain mostly the same, but a sculpt tool has been relocated to the toolbar for easier use. The 2D pattern window tools same as the previous version. From version 2025, objects other than fabrics can also be managed directly from the Object Browser. Scene. In the Scene tab, you can check information related to the current project. Fabric. In the Fabric tab, you can fine-tune and manage the fabrics applied to garments in detail. You can manage multiple fabrics as a group in a folder. Graphic. In the Graphic tab, you can import, configure, and manage graphic images to be applied to garments. Button. In the Button tab, you can set and manage the styles of buttons and related accessories used on garments. Buttonhole. In the Buttonhole tab, you can set and manage the styles of buttonholes to be applied to garments. Top stitch. In the Top Stitch tab, you can set and manage various top stitch styles to be applied to garments. Puckering. In the Puckering tab, you can set and manage puckering styles applied to garments. Trim. In the Trim tab, you can set and manage trim styles applied to garments. New Library. By clicking the New Library icon, you can directly import various assets not only from the existing library window, but also from the Connect Asset Store. For more details, please refer to the user manuals or watch the tutorial videos for each new features.